Welcome to Guiding Hands Canada Immigration Services, your trusted companion on the journey to Canada. Join us as we navigate the complexities of immigration, offering expert guidance, valuable insights, and unwavering support to make your Canadian dream a reality. Subscribe now and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Ever wondered how difficult the journey to a better life can be for immigrants? The path to a brighter future is often fraught with challenges that many of us may not even begin to understand. Today we delve into a crucial aspect of Canadian immigration, the Humanitarian and Compassionate Grounds application. Join us as we explore the compassionate pathway to immigration, offering insights, guidance, and expertise to help you navigate this important process. Subscribe now to embark on your journey towards a new beginning in Canada, guided by compassion and hope. Individuals may seek to apply under Humanitarian and Compassionate H&C grounds for a variety of compelling reasons, often stemming from extraordinary circumstances in their lives. Overall, those who apply under Humanitarian and Compassionate grounds often do so out of necessity, seeking protection, safety, and opportunities for a better life in Canada amidst challenging and extraordinary circumstances in their home countries or personal lives. Under the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act of Canada, Section 25 outlines the provisions for humanitarian and compassionate H&C considerations by Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. These provisions allow individuals who do not meet the usual immigration requirements to apply for permanent residence based on humanitarian and compassionate grounds. A breakdown of the grounds for admissibility under H&C according to IRPA Section 25 are exceptional hardship, best interests of a child, family ties in Canada and the ties outside Canada, consequences of family separation, applicant's establishment in Canada and factors beyond the applicant's control, individuals who may have fled their home countries due to persecution or have close family ties in Canada, such as spouses, children or parents, who are Canadian citizens or permanent residents, or those in imminent danger or significant harm in their home countries, such as victims of domestic violence, human trafficking survivors, or individuals targeted by criminal organizations, as well as those with severe medical conditions, disabilities, or mental health issues may require specialized treatment, care, or support services that are not available or accessible in their home countries. Overall, the grounds for admissibility under humanitarian and compassionate considerations aim to provide a mechanism for individuals facing exceptional circumstances to apply for permanent residence in Canada, even if they do not meet the standard eligibility criteria. Each case is evaluated on its own merits, taking into account the specific circumstances and compelling reasons presented by the applicant. The Humanitarian and Compassion application H&C application process in Canada offers hope to applicants by providing a pathway to permanent residency for individuals who do not meet the usual immigration requirements, but have compelling humanitarian or compassionate reasons to stay in the country. As previously mentioned, provision under the Canada Immigration and Refugee Protection Act allows individuals who wouldn't normally qualify to immigrate, stay or return to Canada a chance to apply for permanent resident status. Navigating the H&C application process can be complex and intimidating. However, with the right guidance and support, you can overcome challenges and secure a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. But what exactly does humanitarian and compassionate grounds mean? Picture it as a lifeline, a beacon of hope. It's designed for people already in Canada who face exceptional conditions that would result in unusual and undeserved or disproportionate hardship if they were asked to leave the country. It's also for individuals outside Canada who have been affected by civil war or natural disasters in their home country, making it impossible or unsafe for them to return. Now you might be wondering, who can apply under these grounds? Well, anyone can apply. However, it's important to remember that these applications are assessed on a case-by-case basis. The decision-making process is complex and involves considering several factors such as the person's establishment in Canada, their ties to the community, and the best interests of any children involved. The purpose of the H&C application as well as the immigration process cannot be overstated. It's not just a pathway to permanent resident status. It's a lifeline for those who are in dire need. It's a testament to Canada's commitment to uphold human rights and extend compassion to those in need. But here's the thing. While the H&C grounds application is a beacon of hope, it's also a maze of legalities and procedures. The process can be discouraging, the paperwork extensive, and the wait times sometimes quite long. Yet the potential reward at the end of this journey makes it all worthwhile. This may seem complex, but don't worry, we'll guide you through the steps. If you're already in Canada, here's how you can apply under humanitarian and compassionate grounds. Navigating the immigration process may seem difficult, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. First and foremost, you'll need to complete the application forms. These forms will ask for detailed information about your life, your family, and your reasons for applying under these grounds. Next, it's time to gather your supporting documents. This includes things like proof of your identity and status in Canada, such as a passport or other travel documents. You'll also need proof of any relationships that are relevant to your application, like marriage or birth certificates. If you've been in Canada for a while, documents showing your establishment in the country, such as school records or employment history, can be helpful too. Now you might be wondering, what about the cost? There is an application fee, yes, but remember, this is an investment in your future. The fee covers the cost of processing your application and is non-refundable, even if your application is not approved. Therefore, we ensure that applicants got everything in order before submitting. Once we've got all your forms filled out and your documents gathered, it's time to submit your application. We submit your application to the appropriate Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Office. After submitting, you can expect to receive an acknowledgement of receipt, and then your application will be reviewed. Throughout this process, patience is key. It might take several months, even up to 2 years, for your application to be processed. But remember, you're not alone. We're here to help and support you every step of the way. And what if you're applying from outside Canada? Let's explore that next. For those of you outside Canada, here's how to apply under humanitarian and compassionate grounds. Let's delve into the process. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that applying from outside Canada is no easy feat, but with dedication and a clear understanding of the process, it's entirely achievable. You'll first need to gather all the necessary documents. This includes but is not limited to your passport, proof of your current residence, and any evidence supporting your claim for humanitarian and compassionate grounds. Remember, these documents must be translated into English or French, and you'll also need a certified translation. Next, you'll need to fill out the application forms. This is your chance to tell your story, to explain why you're unable to return to your home country, and why Canada is your best option. We encourage our clients to be thorough, honest, and to remember, every detail counts. Once your application form is complete and your documents are in order, it's time to pay the processing fee. This can be done online through the Government of Canada's website. Now, take a deep breath. You've completed the application process, and it's time to send everything off. Your application will go to the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada office, where it will be reviewed. Patience is key in this phase. The waiting period can vary greatly, often taking several months or even up to a couple of years. But remember, the wait is worth it. And while you're waiting, keep your documents up to date and be prepared to provide additional information if asked. Now you know the process. So what's next? We've covered a lot of ground, so let's summarize. We dove into the deep end today, discussing the struggles immigrants face. It's a journey that's far from easy, peppered with challenges and obstacles. Yet, it's also a journey filled with hope and resilience, a testament to the spirit of those who dare to dream of a better life. We ventured into the world of humanitarian and compassionate grounds for immigration. We learned that it's a provision under the Canada Immigration and Refugee Protection Act, a beacon of hope for those who might not meet the standard immigration criteria. It recognizes that life isn't black and white, it's a vast canvas painted with shades of grey. And it's these nuances that this provision seeks to address, offering a pathway for individuals in unique situations who can demonstrate that exceptional conditions apply. We then navigated the labyrinth of the application process from within the borders of Canada. We discovered that it's a delicate balance of providing compelling evidence and meeting deadlines, all while ensuring that the process is followed to the letter. It's a process that demands patience, persistence, and precision. Similarly, we explored the process for those applying from outside Canada. It's a different landscape, yet the essence remains the same. The need for a strong case, backed by robust evidence and a well-presented application, is paramount. And it's a journey that's often accompanied by an agonizing wait, a test of endurance and faith. In essence, The road to permanent residence status under humanitarian and compassionate grounds, whether from inside or outside Canada, is a complex one. It's a path that's fraught with challenges, but also one that's paved with opportunities. Remember, every step taken towards a better life counts, and Guiding Hands is here to help you navigate through it all. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about us or the immigration services we provide, head over to our website www.ghcanadaimmigrationservices.com. You can also send us an email at info@ghcanadaimmigration.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content.